Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Malwarebytes Premium for real-time protection, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, visit the official Malwarebytes website. Locate the download section on the homepage. Click on the download button for Malwarebytes Premium. Once the installer file is downloaded, navigate to your downloads folder. Double-click the Malwarebytes installer file to start the installation process. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the installation. Select your preferred language from the options provided and click OK. The setup wizard will begin. Click on Get Started. You may see an option to activate a trial for premium features. Choose this if desired. Follow the on-screen prompts to continue with the installation. When prompted, select your installation preferences and click Install. Wait while Malwarebytes installs on your system. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. The Malwarebytes application will automatically launch. Sign in with your Malwarebytes account, or create a new account if you don't have one. After signing in, you may need to activate your premium license key. To do this, locate the Activate License button in the main interface. Enter your license key and click Activate. Once activated, Malwarebytes will prompt you to start a system scan. Click Scan Now to run an initial scan of your system. After the scan completes, review any detected threats. Follow the recommended actions to quarantine or remove any malicious items. Lastly, ensure that real-time protection is enabled in the settings. You are now set up to enjoy robust real-time protection with Malwarebytes Premium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.